Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Android News Byte. Back in 2020, Google announced a new way of distributing applications via the Google Play Store. Instead of the regular APK files that most of us are used to, they began working on what is now known as app bundles. This allows developers to release more slimmed down versions of their applications, since they didn't have to pack in libraries that support the hardware, software, and even languages for everyone and every device. So while the standard APK format was quite user-friendly, it also required the application file size to be incredibly bloated. To fix this, Android application bundles were released, and it allowed the developer to split everything up. Now, you may have seen these Android app bundles on websites like APK Mirror. You can see the bundle label here. And you can see this application bundle includes the base version of the APK file. It includes a bundle file for the specific architecture, a bundle file for the DPI screen size spec, and individual files that include support for various languages. So when this application is installed from the Google Play Store, it detects which language you have and then only downloads the language pack that you have set on your device. This allows downloaded applications to take up less space on our devices, but as you can see, it makes things much more complicated than simply sideloading a single APK file. These Android app bundles became mandatory for new apps starting in 2021, and it's why you may not have been able to use Android's built-in package installer to install these new types of apps. Since websites like APK Mirror still want to offer their service, they've begun creating proprietary formats that take these individual files and package them into their own single APK file that can be shared among the community. Some of these new file formats include APKS, XAPK, APKM, etc. So it makes sense that the built-in installer for Android does not support them. But that also means that you'll need to use an application like Split APK Installer from the Google Play Store in order for you to sideload them properly. Although there are some third-party file managers out there that are also including support for these new file types. For anyone who likes to sideload APK files onto their device, this move from Google will force us to use third-party apps to install these app bundles instead of being able to use the built-in package installer. And that makes the process a bit more annoying, but at least we still have the ability to sideload these files on Android. It just seems like we're moving in the opposite direction that many of us would like to see Android taking. So in the near future, I'll do a couple of videos showing how to use these third-party app bundle installers on your device. But let me know what you think about these split app bundles down in the comment section below. And please remember to like this video while also subscribing to the channel for more Android news content like this.